Hello, I Dr. S.B. Donde, Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of flip-flop. Before going to discuss concept of flip-flop, we'll see the triggering, types of triggering. There are two types of triggering, level triggering and edge triggering. In level triggering, it has a two types, positive level triggering, negative level triggering. Again, in edge triggering, there are two types, positive edge triggering and negative edge triggering. Now we'll see the operation of clock SR flip-flop. This is an diagram of clock SR flip-flop using a NAND gate. And this is the truth table of clock SR flip-flop. So if we look into this truth table, in spite of if the C equal to clock equal to 0, in spite of S and R anything, always there is no change. And if S is C is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, so we always get the condition no change. It means whatever you are assuming Q, so Q no change condition. And third, if C equal to 1 and S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1, at that time it is in reset state. If C is equal to 1, S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, it is in the set state. And if C is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1, it is in an indeterminate condition. It is also called as prohibited or forbidden condition. It is also called as, this is an unavoidable condition. This drawback can be removed in the JK flip-flop. Now we can verify the truth table. This condition will verify now. If S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, next state is reset state. Next state is reset. Now we can check. Now S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So you supposed to keep in your mind operation of this NAND gate. Any of the input of the NAND gate 0, output is 1. Any of the input of the NAND gate is 0, output is 1. Now the condition is what? S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 and C equal to 1. So the output of this NAND gate 1 and output of this NAND gate 0. Assuming that Q equal to 0, so which is input to this NAND gate, so both input of this NAND gate is 0, output is 1, and this one which is input to this NAND gate, output equal to Q equal to 0. Now we can assume Q equal to 1. We can assume here Q equal to 1. So which is input to this NAND gate, so 1, 0. So again the same thing, any of the input of this NAND gate equal to 0, output is 1. Which input to this NAND gate 1, 1, so it is 0. So we have tested it. Either you are assuming Q equal to 0 or Q equal to 1, output Q equal to 0 and Q bar equal to 1. So this is what we have tested, one condition. So you are requested to test S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, similar way. Thank you.